Hey guys, so we just got back from the store and I thought I would do a grocery haul to kind of show you everything that we picked up as well as what our meal plans are for the week. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let's go ahead and get into this grocery haul. We went to two stores. The first store is Sprouts, which is, I don't know if they're local to just Kansas City, but we went to Sprouts and then we also went to Target and got everything that we needed for the week. So I did need some more K-Cups. And they had this limited edition honey and Madagascar vanilla, which I thought sounded good. So we'll give that a go. We're gonna try Swerve as our sweetener replacement. We were using this Truvia Naturally Sweet, which you can see is out. And I've heard really good things about Swerve. So we're gonna give this a go and see which one we like better. And then heavy whipping cream for our coffee. I have been making iced coffee and then I've been putting like a teaspoon of Swerve in my heavy whipping cream and whipping it, and it's so good. It's almost like a sweet cream cold foam from Starbucks. It's delicious. So I picked up some heavy whipping cream. We needed avocado oil for one of our recipes, so I just picked up a small one of those. Okay, this, you guys, this ice cream is the best. It's 8 net carbs for the whole thing. If you need to eat the whole thing, it's delicious. It's peanut butter chocolate and it doesn't taste like, like a diet ice cream. It's rich and creamy and it's so good. So I picked up one of those. We needed some more sour cream and cottage cheese, so I went ahead and got that. These have been really good. They only have 2 flavors at Target, well, the Target I went to. And I like the raspberry black cherry or blackberry better, but throughout the day, I'm a previous soda drinker, so this has been a really good alternative as far as the carbonation, like that, needing that carbonation. So I get one and I take one with me each day to work. These are delicious. Sea salt, dry roasted macadamia nuts, and they are really high in your fat content, which for keto, obviously that's our main thing, is the fat, and they're just a really good snack. So I love that. We put it in a salad with like a vinaigrette and some chicken, and it was delicious. The triple cream cheese brie is also a really good snack for getting your fat content in, and I will use this with some sweet peppers, and it's a really good combination for a good snack if you're needing some fat. And then we picked up some romaine lettuce, some cherry tomatoes, some broccoli and cucumbers. And then I needed to get Sophia some bread, so I just got her some bread. And then they also had this live Carb Smart 1 net carb bread, so we're gonna give this a go. I needed it for one of our menu options, so we'll see if we like that. Then the Starbucks iced coffee blonde roast. So this is what I've been making with the sweet cream cold foam in the morning. I make one for me and one for Sean, and it's really good because I have not been going to Starbucks, which is just crazy. It's mind-boggling to me, but this is a really good alternative. And then we had to get some milk for Sophia. And then we got a big bag of shrimp, some more eggs, a red onion, some avocados, some bananas for Sophia, and then some smoked salmon. And it's like the thin layers of salmon, and some ground chuck, because ground chuck has more fat in it versus ground beef. So that's what we ended up getting. Some more thick cut bacon, and then there's some chicken underneath. So that's what we ended up getting, and this will last us for the week. We also have some other stuff in our fridge, but this is what we're gonna do. So with the shrimp, we're actually, I'm missing something. I also picked up some coconut flour. We're actually gonna do some breaded shrimp, like a shrimp tempura with that. It sounds really good, so that'll be a good meal for us. Then with the smoked salmon, we're gonna do salmon sushi rolls. So salmon with cream cheese, cucumber, and then there's something else that goes in there. Cream cheese, cucumber, and I can't remember off the top of my head. And then you roll it up and top it with everything bagel seasoning, so that looks delicious. That'll be one of our dinners as well. And then we're also going to do a Cobb salad. So that's what I needed the lettuce for, and the tomatoes and the eggs, and then avocados are in it, some red onion, and then sunflower seeds was the other thing I have that I didn't put out here. I had already put that away. So we're gonna do a Cobb salad. And then with the eggs and bread, we were gonna do just some egg salad sandwiches. So I was gonna make some egg salad and then toast some bread and put it on that with some mayonnaise. Thought that was gonna be a really good option for us. And then we obviously have our cottage cheese, which is a good quick lunch too. And there's chicken. We're gonna grill out some chicken and hot dogs. And then for breakfast options, we have bacon and eggs. And then for the ground chuck, I honestly can't even remember what we got that for, but we needed it for one of our recipes. But there's probably about 5 meals there already. And then we're also gonna be doing a broccoli salad, which is one of my favorite things. So I found a broccoli salad keto recipe. So we're gonna do that as well. And that's really about it. That's our week's worth of groceries, and I will show you the recipes as we make them. Okay guys, I wanted to show you what we're doing for dinner tonight. It's chicken cordon bleu keto style. So I've got 2 large chicken breasts in here that I've cooked and I'm getting ready to shred them. I made this sauce that goes in it, which is 1 brick of cream cheese, 4 ounces of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then salt and pepper, and then use the mixer to mix that until it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to shred this chicken with my mixer, and yes, that's left over from there, but it's all going in the same dish, so I'm not worrying about cleaning it. I'm going to mix this, and then I'm going to put some diced ham in here, mix it together, put that in my 9x13, top it with my sauce, and then top that sauce with Swiss cheese. Stick it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes, 350 degrees, and that is what we're doing for dinner. So then I'm gonna take some diced ham that obviously I got this at Target, and it's pre-diced, so I don't have to worry about it. And I'm just gonna sprinkle this on top. And ham is really good for keto. So once that's been sprinkled on top, then I'm going to spread this cream cheese and butter mixture on top of it. And then I'm gonna top it with the Swiss cheese. Okay, so now this will go into the oven for 20 to 30 minutes until the cheese is all melted and nice and bubbly, and it'll be ready to eat. This doesn't look delicious, I don't know what does. This is gonna be a sushi roll. So I went and I got some of our smoked wild Alaskan sockeye salmon, and I laid that out, and then I took some cream cheese and just nuked it in the microwave for a minute so it was spreadable, and put that down. And then I sliced some cucumbers pretty thin. I'm not, you know, a chef, so although that one's pretty thin as I could get them without cutting my fingers. And I put those on the back, and then some sliced avocado. So now I'm gonna roll it, cut it, and then top it with everything seasoning. And don't mind the dog, he's drinking water. Okay, so it's not perfect, but doesn't look too terrible. I'm gonna try. Look at that. Looks good. Tastes like sushi. Really good. Yum. Really good. Okay, so tonight I created this recipe, high fat, high protein. And I've never had it before, and I'm hoping that it tastes good. But I've taken some chicken breasts, and I sliced these ones in half and then in half again because they were really thick. And then I'm going to put some cream cheese in the middle, just a thin layer to add some creaminess to it. Almost like, you know, cream cheese in your chicken cordon bleu. I don't know, makes sense in my head. So I'm just putting a thin layer of cream cheese and then some pepperoni. And then I'm gonna turn this over, and then I'm going to wrap it in bacon. Like a bacon wrapped chicken breast. And then I looked on Pinterest just for a regular bacon wrapped chicken breast as far as how long to cook it. So I'm gonna cook these at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, I've got it plated. After the bacon was done, I went ahead and coated it with a layer of Swiss cheese as well. That was Sean's idea, and it got nice and bubbly, and it looks delicious. Let's cut it open and see. I also used thick bacon in there. That looks good. And per usual, let's give it a bite. It's really good. Hi guys, so I need to give you my weight update for week 2. I'm officially down another 3.5 pounds, so that brings my total to 9.5 pounds in 2 weeks. I'm so happy with these results. I'm gonna keep trucking along. If you're on a weight loss journey, let me know in the comment section below so we can be weight loss buddies. And if you have any keto recipes, let me know what you recommend down below. I'm kind of venturing out and trying to come up with my own recipes, and just to keep life interesting. So we've got another week ahead of us, and we're gonna get there step by step. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, my name is Sydney, and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I'd love for you to stick around, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.